Hello, my name is Tom Rummage from the Applications Engineering Department here at Micro Measurements, and I'd like to introduce you to a few selected strain gauge from our new online shop. You're able to do e-commerce for us, be able to order online and have them shipped to you directly. And I'm going to start from smallest to largest. This is just a selection of a few, not all of the gauges that are available. The first one I'm going to talk about is the 015 DJA. It's a 15 thousandths active grid strain gauge. It has the tabs above and below, which makes it for proper orientation in situations where you have a very narrow strip you have to work with. Comes in 120 ohms because it's so small. The next one is its bigger brother. This is the 031 ECA pattern, similar to the 015 DJ in its configuration with the tabs above and below. It comes in 350 ohms because it crosses that threshold where we can start building them in 350 ohms. Again, tabs above and below. This is the 062 AQ. This is a 62 thousandths by 62 thousandths active grid uniaxial strain gauge. With the AQA means that it has the advanced sensor technology for adjusting resistance, and it's a 350 ohm uniaxial gauge. Same size, but an 062 TT. Now the TT is a T rosette, and it's a non-common tab T rosette. It can be used in individual or in half bridge applications, quarter bridge or half bridge applications, and or can be configured as a full bridge, as a full Poisson's bridge. It's small size, and you're also seeing an encapsulated layer version of this. We offer the option E, which encapsulates the grid, protecting them during the install and also limiting the flow of the solder on the tabs during the soldering operation. The next one is its cousin. This is the 062 TZA. Now you have the same T rosette pattern in the same dimensions, only now we have a common tab, typically used in half or full bridge configurations only. The next one is an 062 TVA. The TV, the 062 TV, is a torque or shear pattern. It is a pair of gauges that are 90 degrees to one another and at 45 degrees to the long axis of the strain gauge. When you're making a shear measurement or trying to measure the torque on a shaft that's quite small, this might be an excellent choice. The last one I have is the largest gauge that we offer currently in our online setup is the 250 BG. This happens to show the option LE, lead wires and encapsulation pre-attached. If you're working on like a plastic materials where soldering on the gauge might delaminate the gauge or possibly damage the plastic underneath it, the option LE gives you that option of being able to solder away from the gauge site. Thank you.